Welcome to BestusefulTips. I will show you how to take a screenshot on your Google Pixel 7 Pro device. In first matter, you can use power and volume down button. Open the screen you want to take a screenshot and long press the power button and volume down at the same time to take a screenshot on your device. You can directly share or edit screenshot here. In second method, you can use recent apps. Swipe up and hold to view the recent apps in your device. Here you can see screenshot option at bottom. Tap on a screenshot to take a screenshot on your device. You can also use a back tap gesture on your Google Pixel 7 device. Go to settings, scroll down, tap on a system, tap on a gestures, tap on a quick tap to start action. Make sure to go and use quick tap option and select the take screenshot. Now tap back of your phone device to take a screenshot on your device. You can also use Google Assistant. Say, hey Google, take a screenshot. Hey Google, take a screenshot on your device. It's quite useful to take a screenshot on your Pixel device. That's it. If you like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to get latest tips.